Help support our coverage using Blueberry, the community that gives creators the ability to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get 30 days to try out the service using promo code BLUBRRY004.
Well, if you haven't figured it out, our next guest is here. Hello.
Hello. I'm Yongqin from PawSwing, the first AutoComb in the world for the cat.
Okay. Yeah, so tell me about this thing in front of us. It's very interesting looking.
Yeah. Actually, I want to show you the first thing. It's a really cute kitty. You already see that. I can't believe that this is really made by the real fur. I mean, the real cat here.
Oh, yeah?
And the care here is collected by this machine automatically. This machine is a machine really being made for the cats. Some of our users feedback to us the cats use it for more than 60 times one day, and it collected a lot of fur. So I can show you guys how this magic happened.
Okay.
There's at the top, there's a smart treat dispenser. I'm sorry, the product is a little huge, and you guys can see.
It is a big product.
Yeah. At the top, there's a treat dispenser. You can drop a treat by this machine, and the cat will be, the cat like treats. Every cat like treats, and they will be attracted. They will try and go through in the store and try to get the treat. And the magic thing is that there's 6 brushes at the door, and the brushes is designed with the same as their cat toy. For cat, it's feeling like being brushed by 6 cat toy, which is like super cat massage. Cat really loves the feeling. It's really comfortable for that. And can you believe that?
Wow.
It's totally mechanical way, because if you have cats, cat is fear of electronic things.
Yeah.
So this is no electronic totally. So the cat love it, and when they go through, they will be brushed one time. When they go out, they will be brushed another time. And here is okay. If you can help, here is a collection. There's a button. Please press the button to off.
This one here?
On the side, on the cat ear side. Yeah. Let's go to the off. Yeah.
Okay.
Help me to take it out. Yeah. I guess. Okay.
It's not designed to be done the way we're doing it.
Yeah. Okay. It's honestly, there's a story. Yeah. Please do that. Oh, you can see that. I can show you. The brush is very flexible.
Okay.
And what kind of a size cat can go through? Even a Malcoon or Rodar. And when the brush is rolling, the cat here will be collected in the storage box. There is 6 storage box. Every 2 or 3 weeks, you can take it out once. And that is a totally magic sense. So we made the product, based on the real cat behavior. So the result shows we already have 2,000 customers around 26 countries.
Okay.
If you Google our brand name is PawSwing. Why PawSwing? Just like this. PawSwing. Yeah. So if you Google PawSwing, you can find out there are already a lot of users test our products and give a lot of positive feedback about this product. Guys, you have the automatic litter box, maybe, and you have the automatic drinking machine or automatic freezer, right? But there's no one who made something in this area, right?
Yeah, it's really an interesting idea.
Yes, and honestly, every cat owner are worried about the cat fur problem. Cat fur always spread everywhere, right? We have a lot of problems, right? But no one, literally, guys, why don't we solve this problem at very beginning?
Yeah,
right?
instead of having to go and clean it up later, right?
Yeah.
Which is the normal situation. You go.
Yeah, you have the air purifier or the robot clean machine try to clean it, but it's very hard to clean it all.
And you've already gotten some of it on your feet as you're walking around the house. It's getting into the furniture. And your little
Your
robot.
bed, your clothes,
Yep.
everywhere.
And
your
your-
clothes when you meet your friends.
Yeah, and
And-
your little Eureka robot vacuum is not going to get that, right?
Yeah,
because it's
cool.
already on your clothes. It's already on your couch.
You got it.
Your dining room table, because cats go wherever they want.
Yes, you got it.
So get it at the source.
Yeah.
I get it. That makes sense. Fascinating. How did you decide that this was the problem you wanted to solve?
Honestly, this is our own cat. Mini cat is based on our own cat.
Okay.
We have 6 cats. We adopted them. Before us, they are homeless cats.
Okay.
When we have them, we want to give better life to them.
Fair.
So we didn't decide here particularly at the beginning for them.
Okay.
And we found they love it. So we think every cat will love it. And the result is there are already more than 2,000 cat owners used it and found out that's really awesome. Their room is very clean. They can hug their cat, and no worry about losing fur.
I mean, that's the biggest selling point right there.
Yeah. A lot of machine. I mean, we created a new category.
Yeah.
It's totally the AutoComb. Yeah, I think every cat family will love it. Yeah, there's a lot of reviews. People can have a look. Yeah.
So, you said there's 2,000 of them out there, which means they're already on the market?
Yeah, we have we finished the crowdfunding campaign. There are 1 year ago there are 2,000 cat owners from the campaign. They used our products, and after 1 year they give us a lot of feedback. And
Okay.
Yeah, we published the feedback on our booth. Yeah.
So if a new customer wants one, can they get one now, or?
Yeah, they can get it.
Okay.
For USA, Canada, the North America, we can deliver it in 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
We have our online shop. If you Google PawSwing, you can find us on our own website. We also sell the product on Amazon right now. Yeah.
Impressive.
And yeah.
So
that's good.
what's the price point on this?
Good question. Yep. On the original before CES, our price is around $200. But my boss told me that he want to give something special for CES. So during the CES, we have a special discount for CES period. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. So the regular MSRP on this is only $200?
$200.
$200.
Yeah.
Okay.
The whole machine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's less than I was expecting you to say. So that's great. And so people can go on Amazon right now, find it, order it, have it in a couple days.
Yeah, you're right.
Awesome.
Absolutely right. And
Very cool. If people want to learn more about this, how can they do that?
now we have a booth in this floor, and you can also Google our web PawSwing. My brand name is really easy to remember. Paw and swing. That means lucky for people.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you Google PawSwing, you can find everything for us. That the YouTuber reviewers and our own website. Yeah, it's all on the website.
Well, very cool. This is a fascinating concept. We've seen vacuum brushes and things for dogs and cats in the past, but nothing that's entirely self-sufficient.
Yeah, imagine,
everything else requires work.
Imagine you're having your coffee, you're doing your work, even you're outside, enjoy your holiday. Your cats stay going out and in, brushing themselves. Even without you, they take themselves very well. And their skin feels, their hair soft. And your home is still keep clean, even you're outside.
It is quite a win.
Yeah. We have already a lot of user feedback. The real user feedback, they prove that it does work and it work very well than other machines on this area. So just Google us. You can find out.
Well, wonderful. I appreciate you bringing this and coming and talking to me today. It's really an interesting product.
Wow, thank you for your kind words. And we are startup. We spent 3 years for this product.
Okay.
This is our first year to sell so publicly.
Well, I'm impressed that in your first year you've already got 2,000 of them out there, and hopefully we'll see more of them out.
Yeah, appreciate your good ways. Thank you.
Have a good rest of the show.
You too, you too. Please Google PawSwing.
The Tech Podcast Network CES 2025 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Kirk Corliss. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Tracy Ingram, Xerxes Goddard, Brandy Jackson, and Aviva Cram. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, and Scott Ertz. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. The TPN studio executive is Todd Cochran. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2025.